Alright, this is exciting right here. This is something that I made for the first time in CAD, right? So, to give some background to this, I'm working on this machine for the coding thing, and like, I'm feel like I could definitely like draw it up on the and then like copy in my notes and take and basically draw this thing one piece at a time to make the different parts. And I'm thinking, my God, that's going to take forever, and it's going to be so hard to get the dimensions perfect. And so I'm finally coming and I'm learning CAD, like real CAD, because like, look, Tinkercad, I can really do some neat stuff with Tinkercad. There's a machine that I actually like. I cheated. I stole like that honeycomb, and I stole this part, that part. But basically, good 50% of this is my build, my make, and I'm so excited. But as I'm doing this, because I'm excited that I can actually make something with CAD, even though this is made for kindergartners. I'm doing something very special with it. But when I'm using it, right? Let me zoom in on this main gantry part here. All right. I really see, I've got to like copy, paste, and do all kinds of weird stuff, and I can really feel the limitations with the software. And so I'm really needing to get onto some real CAD stuff. So I've been doing the YouTube University, and
You can see we're in
you
the
know,
assembly workbench here.
okay. And dummy can learn through it. And I made this part. I'm so excited. I know I'm taking forever this video. I'm sorry. And I actually somewhat understand how to make it work. And I was able to export it, right, to a DXF file,
The assembly.
because this is actually like a two-dimensional part with some padding on it. I gotta use my other hand here. And I was able to export it back to a two-dimensional part. So this would be like, the three-dimensional would be like the cardboard that I cut out, or the wood or whatever, and those dimensions are there. They're in it, and it just works. So this is like, I wanted to take and pause for a minute on how freaking like phenomenal this is to me, because I've just always sucked with CAD. I tried CAD all the way back in like the mid '80s, and I've been like checking on it ever since, and I just have never been able to get CAD to work. And so the fact that I made that part, as simple as it is, and I was able to get it into a laser file that I can actually create that part in real life, I'm just blown away, and I'm so excited. By the way, like I said, the Tinkercad stuff, you see this right here? I need an adapter for this spool. And if I go right here, sorry, if I go right here, you can see I've got a printer working on and printing that adapter as we speak. So this stuff is powerful. Powerful stuff. Let me get back over here and show you I actually showed it first. Just two circles inside each other. I decided to put my name on it for the heck of it. But pretty easy stuff. I mean, it's not really, if you don't know how to reuse the software, is the problem. So like, this is a bar with two circles in it, and I haven't been able to do that for 30 years. But it's wild, because there's the part that I need. Because the thing is that these spools are too small to go into the bamboo. They don't fit. So this is an adapter ring to bring this spool up to this size. Maybe I can take and sit inside there and then glue in the part, super glue it, so that it'll work in the bamboo machine. And let me minimize this here. And you see right there, it's printing as it goes. And another 12 minutes here, and I'll be able to see if it fits, if it's the right size. Take measurements and whatnot. There we go. Take measurements and whatnot, and screw around with it. But yeah, that's pretty wild. I'm really excited about that.